Kumba, you've been shielded enough. You have no idea what this world is made of, do you?
Then I intend to find out on my own.
It was 1994. I was 7 at the time. Auntie Rebecca was living with us. I can't even remember why. I was too young to understand anything. Then, one dawn, Mama woke us up. There was another man. I don't remember who he was. Papa didn't come home the previous night from work. He helped us pack. We packed a little. Then Mama passed me through the window. And then Edmund. All I remember from that time was hunger, tiredness. There was blood everywhere. I remember the fear, the heads, the arms. It was gruesome. When I could no longer walk, Auntie Rebecca decided to carry me on her back. Mommy was already carrying Edmund. So we walked, and we walked on into the forest until we ran into a group of rebels. They were saying something. They were talking plenty. Mommy and Auntie Rebecca started shouting and begging. And then all of a sudden I heard a deafening sound. And I fell to the ground. I started screaming. I thought I was dead. There was red. Lots and lots of red. It was blood. I thought it was my blood. But it was not mine. It was Auntie's blood. They shot her right in front of me in cold blood. Mommy tried to push her off me because I was trapped under her body. Mommy hugged me to herself and tried to shield my eyes from seeing the body, but it was too late. I could not unsee what I had seen. Auntie was dead. She was gone. And so was Ed.
Mommy said Auntie Rebecca took him to safety.
They took him. He was only 4 and they took him away. We don't even know if he's dead or alive. Those monsters, they tore our family apart. Kumba, you walk around like everything is perfect. Nothing is...
Fine, nothing is perfect. It all happened. You had a rough childhood.
Rough childhood?
Nyonu, what do you want me to do? What the hell do you want me to do?
I want you to drop your stupid happy-go-lucky attitude.
Oh. To wallow in your pitiful childhood stories?
To open your eyes and see that this is us. We have no future back home.
Yes, we do. I'm going to finish university and I'll join Mommy back home.
Well, good luck with that.
Good luck to you too. You know, keep hiding yourself. Keep hiding your identity. The rejection of your traditional name. The rejection of where you come from. But listen, the rejection of your history doesn't erase that blood that runs through your veins.
Let them brainwash you in that school. Okay? When Civil War breaks out again, When power-testing men decide that it's okay to kill their neighbor in order to rise to the top, then you can come here and preach to me about patriotism.
Okay, fine. It all happened. All those dreadful things happened and I never experienced any of it. You have seen life. You know life. So what do you want me to do? Huh? What the hell do you want me to do?
I want you to open your eyes and see that this is us. I want us to have a future where we can never ever be vulnerable again.
What are you talking about?
We were lucky to have this camp. Those who could afford it sent their children out of the country. But what if civil war breaks out again? Here in this country, what will be our fate?
Well, for starters, I, Kumba, live my life with optimism. And I don't allow the fear of what might happen today stop me from living my life and for dreaming for tomorrow.
Keep dreaming. I have seen too much to run my life based on dreams. Too much. And I am tired of trying to let you people see that this is not enough.
What are you doing?
You know what? You don't have to pack out. I'm leaving.
Yanu, where are you going? Huh? Yanu.
Yes, Susan.
It's me,
Who is me?
Valerie. Are you going out?
Yes, to the NDC conference.
Oh, at the conference center.
Hmm?
Wow. Daddy, good evening.
Good evening, my dear. How was your day?
Good. Are you guys going together? I hope it's not by strictly invited.
Together with that in their boring events. I'm not interested.
It won't be boring if you took a little bit of interest.
Betty, you know I hate politics. I just don't like politics. And I can't pretend to just like it.
This conference is about development and migration. We're talking politics here.
And then what happens next? The politicians would take over.
It's okay. It's okay, please. Let's not start World War III here. But Mom, to be fair with you, it's just a political event.
Whatever. Like father, like daughter.
I think that's where Joshua's gonna be tonight.
Yes. The governor is going to be there, I think.
He asked me to come as a date.
Are you coming?
Nope. I'm tired. Anyway, have fun.
Okay, bye.
Mom?
Oh, you're here already.
Yeah.
He's getting dressed.
You coming with us?
No, we had visitors over. I'm too tired. I just want to sleep the night away.
Did you get a message I sent you?
Yes, I did. You worry too much about me. I'll be fine.
I know you'll be. I know you're smart, and I have no doubt you're going to impress the chairman.
God.
My only worry is you don't take this thing serious enough. Listen, if you want to be on the party's radar, you need to get involved now. You don't wait till campaign time.
Dad, there's just so much to do. I don't think that I may be able to get involved in this campaign. I mean, you know it's bad for business if Achampo doesn't win.
Achampo is going to be president. All you worry about is the diplomats.
And the chairman.
Good. Don't wait up, honey.
All
Let's
right,
go.
you guys have fun.
We'll try.
Hey, honey.
Hey, darling.
It finally feels so good to be back home in bed and talking to you. But it would have been nicer if you were here.
It would. It would.
So?
Oh, I'm sorry, babe. I wish I could see you tonight too.
Why?
Didn't I tell you about the MDC conference?
Is everybody in the city going for that conference? Well, what about afterwards?
I don't know how long I'll be there for. And you know, once the vice president has not left, I cannot leave either. There'll be a lot of diplomats there, greeting them and chatting. We'll take us deep into the night.
Okay.
But look, we have a long weekend away. That could make up for the time.
Sure, just have fun tonight, yeah? Call me when you get home.
We'll try. Bye.
All right, bye.
Val.
Hey, what's up?
I should be asking you. I've been trying to reach you all day. It was either busy or out of coverage.
Yeah, unstable link having to travel. I went to Sogakope with Joshua.
Oh, what's going on there?
Nothing really. Just one of his sites.
I see. You didn't go to work today?
I had to work from his car. That's how come my number was busy continuously.
I see.
And we had to fight on our way back home.
Oh, what happened?
He wanted me to give him an escort to a conference tonight. And I said I wouldn't go. He acts like a 5-year-old sometimes.
That's all. He got upset because you didn't go with him.
He thought I was doing that because of Benson.
Was he wrong?
Even if he wasn't, I'm a grown-ass woman. I can make my own decisions.
Val, have you considered the fact that he might be jealous?
Anita, be serious. We're talking about serious issues now.
What makes you think I'm joking?
Because you're laughing.
But seriously, considering the number of times you guys fight and make up, I can only conclude that one of you has the hot for the other.
Nope. He just doesn't approve of Benson.
Neither do I. Everyone has a problem with him. I mean, you dating him.
Anita, I am not stupid. Benson has a reputation to keep, and until his divorce is finalized, we can't come out in the open.
Val, I don't trust him. He's not an honest person.
Come on. You don't even know him, other than the things you're hearing in the papers.
You know what? I'm not going to have this argument all over again. I just hope you're sure of what you're doing when you say you're sure of what you're doing.
How are you? That's the reason why I called you in the first place.
I'm okay.
Is Zach back?
Yes, and he knows.
How did he take it?
Is there any way else to take this?
Take your mind off any negativity. Just be positive. Things will fall in place. You see.
He didn't just jump up with joy like in the past. But we are here. We will do whatever we can.
I'll be here. Give me a call if you want to talk.
Sure. Thank you so much.
All right, good night.
Okay, Val. Bye.
Mr. Bossman.
Yes, it is.
It's been ages.
Yes, it has.
Wow, I almost wasn't expecting to see you in such an event.
Well, of course, I'm not the party sort of guy. But when it comes to the economic development of my country, well, no one deserves to be an observer. I owe more to my community.
Of course, you should get more involved in this event. You have so much to impart. Some will say you are walking in your father's footsteps.
Ah, yes, of course. I mean, yes, some would say that, but those are very huge shoes to fill.
I doubt that.
Darling.
Yeah, Mr. Benson.
Oh, wait a minute. Is that Mr. Emmanuel Benson?
Yes.
Oh. Okay.
Okay, nice meeting you. Excuse me.
Pleasure. Just a second. Oh, Mr. Benson. Well, I didn't quite catch your name.
Oh, darling.
Darling. Well, you two didn't come here together. Are you dating?
It was nice bumping into you. If you'd excuse us.
Oh, well, sir. Just humor me. So you're dating?
Yes.
Back off.
So you agree you're dating?
You don't have any right. You don't have...
Joshua! If you have any respect for me, you will get out of here right now.
I can't believe I slept like a log. I didn't even hear you wake.
That's good. What is this nonsense about your friends in the papers?
Which friends?
Valerie and Patrick.
And what about them? What? What the hell?
Okay. I'm out of here.
Anita, I missed your call.
Have you seen this morning's papers?
No, I'm still in bed. Is the war coming to an end? You sound like...
Find the Daily Graphic.
What's going on?
Just find it and read it.
Anita. Suzanne. Suzanne! Suzanne!
Yes, ma.
What's today's papers?
Daddy took them with him, please.
Everything?
Yes, please.
You can go.
Thank you for calling me this morning, and I appreciate the excellent journalism exhibited by your media house in ascertaining the fact of the matter before throwing out half-truths and lies to the public. And like he said, this incident involves high government officials, and it is in the interest of our country to make sure of the kind of reportage that may be featured in the international news space. Exactly. And I don't deny that there was a brawl between the Chief of Staff and Joshua Bossman, a very successful engineer in this country, and who is also the son of our very own government. As to what happened between the two men, I'm afraid I have not much information to tell you what happened last night myself. And as a woman and a mother, my first instinct was to restore sanity between the two men. And for someone or anyone to suggest that I'm involved with both men, it's upset and dragging my good name through the mud. And until those media outlets pull down those stories or find the true story behind this matter and correct their assertions, I am going to deal with them legally. Like I said, I have no idea what got into the two men, and I have no idea what my daughter's name is doing in the mix. Besides, she wasn't even there. I'm afraid I can't speak to that. All right. Thank you very much.
Mom, what's going on? Mommy.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, Your Excellency. Yes, Your Excellency. Thank you.
Mom, what happened last night?
I think you should speak to your boyfriend. I have enough on my plate to get into the middle of this again.
Again? Mommy, just talk to me.
Joshua was fighting with Benson at the conference center. Outside, right in the glare of the media.
But what happened?
Valerie, speak to your men and leave me out of this.
Have you seen the story?
Stories, no story. It's everywhere. Even cartoons are going around now.
Oh Lord, this is the worst scandal ever.
I'm on my way, okay?
Okay, I'll be here.
Hi, Josh.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you. I was afraid I wouldn't be let through.
Don't be silly. What's life without a little scandal?
Yeah. Look, I'm really sorry about last night.
You really acted irresponsibly, Joshua.
Yeah.
You're a high-standing citizen, so you must keep your hands clean from all this dirty publicity.
Yeah, I just didn't stop to think.
I must thank you for defending my daughter's honor, but not this way. I expected more from you.
Yeah. I promise it won't happen again.
I hope you keep your word, because when it comes to Valerie, you seem to have a weakness. Or is it about something else?
What do you mean?
Are you in love with my daughter?
Oh, no. I mean, we've passed that stage. I assure you.
If you say so. But it wouldn't be a bad idea if you guys finally take this thing seriously. You make a fantastic couple.
Okay, I'll keep that in mind.
Better get going before a media person reports that we're making out in my office.
Thank you, Auntie Betsy.
Okay, dear. Bye-bye.
Valerie, this is the wrong time to call.
Benson, what the hell is going on?
We will speak very soon, okay? I promise you. But for now, we should try and stay clear of each other.
Why?
Because of the obvious.
What's the obvious? That's why I'm calling you.
Just don't talk to anyone. Not the press, not anyone.
When am I going to see you?
You are thinking of meeting up at this time?
Benson, don't fucking play with me. Do you think I'm a fucking play toy? Who's that girl in the photo, Benson? Already, people are thinking my mom and I are sleeping with you. What the hell?
Babe, I promise you, there's nothing to worry about. You know the press. You know, they love nothing but sensational stories. And then they're just waiting for the opportunity for us to shoot each other in the leg for their amusement. But that is not going to happen. I am not going to parade you for their mockery. That is why I'm pleading with you. Stay off social media. Get off the phone until the time that I can meet up with you, and then I'll make all of this right.
When will that be?
I can't say for now, but let me finish with my schedule for the day, and I'll give you a call.
I'll be waiting.